Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a dice in Scratch. So let's get started. So go ahead and in Costumes, delete the cat ones and make a white square. Hold down Shift to make it a perfect square. And then, with the circle tool, make it all black. Then, hold down Shift to make a perfect circle. Make it small enough. And then, boom, put it right in the middle. Name that costume 1. Duplicate it, and then just what we're going to do is we're going to be making each of the die faces. So here's 2, and it's already going to be named 2. Duplicate that one. This is going to be this 3. Put that one in the middle. Make another. This one will be 4. Add these over here. And then duplicate that one. This one will be 5. Make sure it's right in the middle. Good. Duplicate that one, and this is the final one, which will be 6. Perfect. Now it's time for some code. Go ahead and when green flag clicked, repeat, and then make a variable, call it roll, and then it'll repeat 10 times to actually make that like 15. Set roll to pick random 1 through 6, which will be one of the random sides of the die, and then switch costume to roll. And then you're going to want to wait a little bit just to give it a good animation look, so 0.2. Good. So now, if you run it, it will roll, and we rolled a full 4. So thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials and comment any requests you have, and